TRT organization is a must. Meet the TRT Vault. The first dedicated organization solution for TRT users. You've optimized your hormones, it's time to optimize your routine. CNC machined from aviation grade aluminum and proudly crafted 100% right here in the USA. Available in raw machined or anodized colors. Experience the lasting reliability of our magnetic closure, a locking system that will never wear out. Our precision ball bearing ensures ultra smooth operation, adding just that touch of luxury to your daily routine. Rest easy knowing the TRT Vault keeps all of your supplies safe from damage. 2 vial spots are versatile, accommodating either 2 testosterone vials or a testosterone vial alongside the included pill vial for aromatase inhibitors or even other pills and tablets. The syringe space is designed to hold up to 10 syringes, depending on their size, allowing for extended refill periods so you can focus on what matters. The TRT Vault was meticulously designed to enhance and elevate your TRT experience. Enjoy the order and the elegance of the TRT Vault. We wish you many joyful years to come with your TRT journey.